Well, I know I've been doing these little video posts for a while now for TikTok and YouTube and Instagram. And I just wanted to reiterate we're trying to give you the best information if you're facing foundation repair or a foundation issue so that you can make the right decision so that it doesn't cost you any more than it needs to. Now, I will always say, and I say it again, deal with professionals, either an engineer or a foundation repair contractor. Do not choose Chuck in a truck or Joe and his two friends, because almost all foundation repair work, not all, but almost all foundation repair work needs permits and engineering. Well, what does that mean? That means that the contractor usually will file a permit with the county that you are in to show that, yes, this work is being done. And usually an engineer will write a plan with the specifications of the work that's being done, not trying to get real technical for you now, but just take them through and have the engineer write that technical plan that the county then gets submitted. And oftentimes there won't be any inspection by the county, although this is a county by county decision, and I can't tell you that for sure. But many times, because it is written by an engineer in some form of the process, then it won't be necessary for an inspection, because the engineer will write a beginning letter, they will submit the plan, and then they will write a final letter saying the work was completed properly. Okay? So back to Chuck in a truck and Joe and his two friends. Most foundation work, or a lot of foundation work, is really dangerous. This is why you don't want Chuck in a truck, or why you don't want Joe and his best friend,